asuntoskeittiösopia på Murtomäentie 18.
Murtomäentie 8.
Ylöjärvi.
Maavirkaland, Finland, 8 floors. Built in 1981. This is from 81, BS 5933. ValmetSchlieren. But it's not Valmet. Still ValmetSchlieren.
Yeah.
Probably early 1981. Turning 40 years old in 2021. This year, 2019, getting expected again. 4 persons or 325 kilograms. Now we found a 1981 in Ylöjärvi.
Yeah.
All the years from 1977 to 81.
Yeah.
Maybe 76 we'll find.
And the inspection is late half year.
Yes, it should have been in January this year.
Yeah.
8 floors. But we have a lot of elevators in Finland that were supposed to be inspected in that last year, 2018, and still haven't been.
Yeah.
They've been forgotten.
Inspected and maintained by Schindler.
Well, it's working fine.
Yeah.
Even though it hasn't been inspected in 2.5 years. It's very quiet in here.
That's